All right. So this is going to be a quick video to go over how to post your own ads in RecruitPro. So you have access already, and when you log in, it should come up probably to applicants or jobs. There we go, just like that. So what you need to do, and you'll see it here under department, you have like Shahid 1, Charlotte, and then I got these here that I've done. So we go up here to jobs, click job templates, new job template. And for this one, we'll just do, Julie 1. There we go. I forgot to, I'm going to copy one of these here. Let's just copy this one I have for Heartland. Okay, now let me go back. New job template, Julie 1. Let me put this here. All right, so you guys, you'll need to create, whether it's Julie, Charlotte, Shahid, whatever, 1, Julie 2, Julie 3, Julie 4, Julie 5. So I have 5 different ads to cover different types of jobs, and you can also adjust within those if you want. So you'll be posting like 20 ads a day. So you can do up to 100 ads, and you can be specific since they're your own. And let me do this. So right here, so for instance, Julie, she'll need to come in here and change this to put her own number instead of mine, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. So then down here, you'll click copy from career site title. Copy. So now the top for the career site and title is the same as the job board. Add description. And once you do that, minimum experience, so this is technically for Heartland, so we'll put 6 months. Just put laborers and helpers and then NA. You don't need to worry about that. But for assigned department, we'll go to add new. And this one is Julie 1. Add new. And then submit. So now we have that in here. We can post a job. So I just click on this little suitcase here. And in order to post jobs, we'll go to new job listing, template. And since we have that, we'll go to Julie 1. And now it will automatically fill in, right? The only thing we need to do here is click current opening, change our title to let's see, truck. See, 6 month experience. Okay, so that's the title for this one. So now you can post this in up to 20 different cities, technically as a Heartland ad, and just keep the same title. That's not a problem. So come down here. Typically we'll go out 7 days only, and then we'll have it end April at that. Pay type can be other. We'll put in here 1,000. Whoops. 1,000. And then, oh my goodness, there we go. And that's 1,200. I'll put in here full benefits and 401k. Department, there you go. Julie 1. Employment type, full-time, always. Don't worry about the classification and notification email. job location, where do we want to post it, right? So we can look in here to see what's there, or we can go to maybe a different city that isn't in there. So if we wanted Jackson, Mississippi, we can just push that. If not, we want a new location. Let's say, I don't know, what's an area outside of it? Atlanta. Let's see. Or we could do, let me see. Nope. Oh, yeah. We go here, Heartland. So let's just say, let's pick one along here. All right, so there's Carlisle, what's that, Pennsylvania? Let's see if that's in there. Illinois. Carlisle, PA, perfect. Save location. Save and proceed. Job ad. We need to copy to make sure it's the same as before, so it is. You can do this too, just to ensure that it's the same, but so you have all that. And this is gonna post, so technically when Julie starts, she'll already have applications coming in potentially. It usually takes maybe half a day or a day before they start hitting. But all right, so then we hit Save Job Board. There we go. Guess I didn't hit it. All right, close it out. Now when you hit Jobs, it should show, boom, there it is. So now if she wants to do another one, we can go here and then we'll hit Copy. But I'm going to show you. So like when they're closed, if a job is closed, going like this one is Waco, Texas. So you hit Action, Copy Job Listing, Current. It's all good. Got the phone number, 24. Whoops. You can also, if you don't want to necessarily post jobs on a particular day, so normally if they close like this one, close on the 15th, I wait till the 17th, so it's a full day when it's not on there on the site, and then it opens back up, so it refreshes and it looks new. Okay. So these are ones I did that I didn't fill this in before. All right, so it's already there. And what was it? Waco, Texas, right? So we'll go to Waco. And this is the same for new jobs that you just post, so you don't have to redo them all the time. You just copy the job listing. Go here, copy, yep. And that should be the same. Now we just need to find the zip code for these areas. And we'll look here, Waco, Texas, 76701. Doesn't have to be like a specific, I mean, it just be any of them within the area. All right, so close. So now what I'll do is I'll come back here, and there it is, Waco, and then I'll archive it so it's not on here anymore. So once you archive, then it'll show up here, right? Oops, that's not it. Right here, Waco, Texas. And there you go, and that's how you're posting. So if you want to duplicate the same exact one here, so Buffalo, New York, here's other cities, you can just hit copy, go through this process, right? Always, you got to have this current opening, go through, set the date, the city, boom, hit save. So on this one, instead of Buffalo, right, you would change, and let's say it's in Harrisburg, PA. So there you go. All right. In order to find your listings, because if you go here to applicants, we'll see here that I have lots of applications or resumes that were sent in that nobody's worked. So just right off the bat, right, there's 200. Let me see. Recent ones. Charlotte got some assigned. Shahid got some. He's working those. So, but otherwise, there's a lot in there, right? That's not being looked at. So this is going to help. So you guys will have your own personal ads, and you can go in there. All right. So from here, we'll go department. We can go to. We need to get rid of one of these, and we need to. Man, I must have messed one up, Shahid. But okay. So we want to look. So we'll just say that this is Susie, for instance. Susie 5. So we'll go to there. Everything looks good. Filter it. See how all those are the same? All these. Right, and then there's archive. But it's all the same title, remember? All right, so here we go. Now all of them are there. So we can look job title. If we hover over that, the department, right underneath job ID, it shows me BLG 5. So technically that would say Susie 5. So these are all Susie 5, for instance. So now I don't have to worry about on these, I don't have to worry about Charlotte's, or I don't have to worry about Julie's, or or whoever, because I know these are my resumes to the ads that I posted. So that's the simplest way to do that. Now, if you want to look for particular jobs, click on the jobs tab where it says all departments. Let's go here. Remember Susie 5 for an example. We'll click on that, filter, and now it shows me all of those Susie 5 jobs. All right. So again, for your applicants, click applicants. Under all applicants tab, go to department, pick whichever one you have here. So, let's just say, that's John. So there we go. Now all those are John. So this was for recruiters. So there you go. All of them will be there. Right? So we don't have to worry about working other individuals' applications. If you want to hear, because it'll get kind of clogged, right? Depending on the date and everybody doing it, you can go to department, click on that, and now it automatically put them all in order, right? So now you guys can be like, okay, here's mine. I can start working mine, and so on. I think the same thing if we go over here to department. If I click, let me see which ones are, whoops. So let's say which one's this one. Department is BLG 8. So let's just do this, for example. BLG 8, filter. So now I don't, all the clutter of everybody's ads and stuff that is under that, I've just got mine, right? This particular one. So number 8, and it's mine, so it could be anybody. But now I know, okay, I just work with mine here. Let's say that tomorrow you have, BLG 5 that you did. So then tomorrow on all the close, you just go over here to department. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me back up. Go over here, right, to the departments. And then you do BLG 5, filter, boom. Now I have all of mine there. That way it takes away from trying to find them on this page with everybody's, because that'd just be a nightmare, right? All right. So I need you guys to create 5 different ads. Okay. Jobs, just click on that. Go to templates, job templates. New job template. Put it in here. So it'd be name dash, whoops. Name, 1 or 2, right? Or 3 or 4 or 5. and then, excuse me, write all those different ads. Once you do that, copy from there, right? It'll be the same. Copy, minimum experience, category, labor and helpers, whoops, status, NA, department, right? So you always, whichever one it is, name 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, right? And then you hit add new. And from there you just hit submit. So then you'll have them here. So when you post ads. So when you post ads, just go ahead and hit the jobs tab. And over here on the right, new job listing. Boom, new job listing. So once you start, so like we did, right? So whether it's any, yours, once you do this, right, now it'll all populate, right? Indeed, you want to current openings, go through, make sure that's all okay. And then put your date and your rate. So once you set that all up on the first one, right, let's go back here. The pay per week, benefits, the department will be this right here, Charlotte 1, because that's the template we're using. Employment type, always be full-time. And then the city, and then you just go through that process. Okay, so once we did that, where is it? So Julie, we can use her. Since she already did one, we can copy job listing. And now we just go through, right? We already have this here, that, boom, da-da-da-da. And if you, so it'll be the same, right? So you just do that, 20 different cities, and you've already got everything here. If you want to make it easy when you do your templates, you could copy this, for instance, and then just adjust however you want, depending on the jobs you're trying to promote. Or it could be general, right? It could be a local one, a heartland one, semi-local, however you want to classify them and do them. You could even have over here, get out on the templates, right? Just so you know, you could even label them. So you could label, for instance, like Julie 1 local. So now you know that this template is for local ads, and you can adjust them accordingly, right? Whether it's 7 to 7 p.m. or daytime only or whatever the particulars are, but you'll have a generalized ad already that you can use, okay? Or you could put, like I did, just so I knew, Heartland, however you want to label it, okay? So 5 of those, and then you use one of those for each day for 5 days during the week. It should give you 100 ads out there. Well, really, and then as they start to expire after the 7 days, right, and you wait, then you'll have like about 80 or so, but that'll be good. It'll be more than what I'm posting now for you guys, so you'll be pretty busy. Just remember to use your phone number in there, and you're good to go. All right, I think that's pretty much it. So applicants, I come in here and I want to find mine. Let's say we're looking for BL6. I'm going to go here, BL6, filter. Actually, if you want the brand new ones, because I have all statuses, right? Well, I guess that's good. Okay, which is good. You want it in all status. So I'm in here, and now for BL6, I have 148 candidates, technically. So now I can just start working these, right? And then once I do that, I can go to, BLG5. And now I can work these ads. These resumes. So you just go through that process. Cool. All right. So once your jobs are no longer posted, right, they're closed, just because I don't want to go through all this you know, everybody's ads on here because there'll be hundreds, right, when you guys are all doing it. So I just want mine to redo, and I noticed, so I know that on Monday I did BLG8 for it. Well, yeah, and anyway, that's what I want. So BLG, there it is. Now I can just go here and do my thing, right? So copy. All right. Ah, crap. I didn't see what. Elizabeth, New Jersey. Sometimes I go right here first because if something comes up or a phone call, or I don't want to forget. All right. This was 24 in April. Sometimes I use those blank. I believe I forgot to put the full benefits. Okay. Elizabeth, boom. Job ad. Copy. Make sure it's the same. Same. Copy career site ad description. Elizabeth, New Jersey. I need to look for the zip code. Oh. Save job information. Close. And now I come back here, right? Elizabeth, New Jersey. I want that to be archived so I don't do it again. But now look, as I come up here, right? Waco, there it is. So it keeps it very simplified to just your postings so that you're not having to go through all the hundreds that'll be posted here, okay? All right, so that should be a pretty good tutorial. Just go through it and you'll get used to it. But so I'd recommend, you know, as soon as you can, start doing your templates, getting your job descriptions, and start posting, and have your number, and then it'll start calling. You'll still get some from my 800 number as well, probably for a while. But this way, now, if you miss calls or whatever, they'll be able to leave messages for you. You'll be able to return them, and you'll have access to their resumes, or if, you know, they may just call and not do a resume, but so now you'll have both. And I strongly, strongly, strongly urge you to always get in here every day and work these resumes, because otherwise they just go with nobody, and somebody else is going to get the driver and get the money. So this is a huge resource that you need to tap into. Okay. Well, so, whoops. If you guys got any questions about it, just let me know, and we'll go from there, all right?